Hi everyone, this is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on Java programming tutorial series. In my last video I started my discussion on arrays, okay, and in that video I declare and initialize the array elements in the same place. Okay, here you can see in this this is the program which I had done in my last video, and here you can see this is the declaration and this is the initialization. Both of them I had done in the same place, but here in this video I will discuss with you how to accept array elements from the user. Okay, so the mechanism will be the same. Okay, the way we store the array elements inside an array will be the same, and those array elements can be accessed with the help of their own indexes. Okay, so these are the indexes and these are the array elements. Indexes starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and then these are the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Okay, so now here in this video we will take the values of that array from the user. Okay, so now let's close this, and now let's create a new file, Java class. Okay, array accept elements. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, now for this we should use a different package. Okay, so previously we were using java.io package, java.io.star, which is IO package, but for this, for taking the values from the user and storing them into arrays, we have to use some different package called util. Okay, so let's use import java.util.star. okay, so here for accepting array elements from the user, we have to make use of scanner class. Okay, dot scanner okay, so here see this is the class that we have to use for accepting elements from the user and storing them into array. Okay, so here what I will do is I'll just put star. Okay, and public static void main string args. Okay, and then I will put the code inside try and catch block, exception e. Okay, and then system.out.println. okay, now we need to create our array. Okay, next new. Okay, and then we need to allocate the memory for our array. Okay, so here I am telling that I want to create an array of elements who's going to store only 10 elements. Okay, so this is the limit which I am defining here. Okay, so I'm going to create a numerical array, and the name of that array will be A, and that array will be going to hold only 10 numbers. Okay, so this is the limit which I am specifying here. Okay, so which tells that I'm going to store or hold only 10 elements into that array. Okay, and then I'll create a object of scanner class. Okay, here see new scanner. Okay, so when we were using java.io package, at that time we were using data input stream class. Okay, so we are creating the object of data input stream class, but here we are using scanner system.in. okay, and then type system.out println, and then enter the elements. Okay, and then I'll create a for loop. Okay, and inside this for loop I will create a variable I equals to 0, I is less than array, okay, and dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then inside this array I will be storing my array elements sc dot next int. Okay, and then I will system.out, just copy and paste it here. Array elements. Okay, and then I will use the same for loop. Okay, and I'll just copy, and now I will print that array a of I. Okay, save it. Okay, now here you can see here I have declare an array of integer type which is going to hold 10 elements. Okay, and then I created the object of scanner class, okay, which is available inside this util package, and then here I'm asking the user to enter the elements, and I'm using a for loop for taking the elements of array from the user, and then I will store those array elements into this a of I array. Okay, so for each iteration I'll be taking each time I will be taking the value from the user, and then I will be storing those values inside this array a of I. Okay, once I end by taking the values from the user and storing them into an array, then immediately I'll be printing those array elements here. Okay, so using the for loop. So now let's build this program. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so here it's asking me to enter the elements, so I will type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so here you can see I have entered 10 elements, and it has returned me all those 10 elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 10. Okay, so now if I change, because it's because the limit was 10, and that's why it asked me to enter 10 elements. Now I have changed it to 6. So now let's run it again, and now it will ask me to enter only, it will allow me to enter only 6 elements. Okay, now let's 10 20 30 40 50 and 60. Okay, so here you can see I have entered 6 elements, and all those 6 elements were stored inside this array AI, and at the end it printed out those 6 elements using this for loop. Okay, so here in this way we can take the array elements from the user. Okay, so here all these elements I'm taking them from the user, and I'm storing those array elements into a of I. Okay, so like this we can take the elements from the user and store them into an array, and we can print those elements using our for loop. Okay, so I hope you understood how to declare array, how to initialize array, how to access or how to read array elements, and how to access each and every individual array elements, okay, and how to print array elements. Okay, so in these two videos we have discussed some basics of arrays, basic operations of arrays. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video, and if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.